Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Moroccan Mediterranean salad, roasted pepper salad. It's very delicious, nutritious and very easy, and believe me, if you taste it you will love it. Stay with me to see all the ingredients and how to prepare it step by step. Stay tuned. For the ingredients, we need tomatoes. This is a one big tomatoes and roasted peppers. I am using here the red fire roasted whole peppers, the red ones. And be sure they are the ones that don't have sugar on the ingredients, not the sweet red roasted peppers, but only the roasted peppers. And I'm using here also the yellow peppers, and they have also the orange ones. I will need lemon juice, some olive oil, cumin is very important in this recipe, garlic, you can use the roasted garlic, some black pepper a little bit, and salt. Also the parsley. For the peppers, we drain them, we wash them and drain them. Then we start cutting them into small pieces. For roasted peppers, you can roast them in the oven, or I roast them before in my channel in the air fryer. You can coat them with some olive oil, then put them in the air fryer for few minutes, maybe 10 minutes from the first side, then another 10 minutes from the second side. You flip them to the other side. It depends how big your peppers, but they come really good if you roast them in the air fryer. If not, you can roast them in your regular oven, or you buy them like that in the jar. All of them come good in this salad. We keep cutting all the peppers that we have, and if there is any seeds inside, you try to get rid of them. Now, after cutting the yellow peppers, we cut the red peppers, we slice them and cut them into small pieces. Now we put all the roasted peppers together in a mixing bowl. The yellow ones and the red ones. Then we add the tomatoes. Cut your tomatoes into small pieces. Then the parsley is 2 tablespoons of parsley here. Some people use cilantro, chopped cilantro. I used here parsley. And juice of whole lemon. This is a small lemon that I'm using, but you can use a bigger one for this quantity. Usually I use, if for this quantity, 2 small lemon juice like that, or if you have a big lemon, you use the juice of 1 lemon. And take the seeds off. This salad like to have lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can add vinegar, apple cider vinegar or white vinegar too. And for the dressing or the spices, we put the olive oil, a good quantity of olive oil, and salt to taste. a little bit of black pepper, not a lot, some garlic. Usually I use the roasted garlic, but I don't have it. I used here the garlic powder, and the most important is the cumin. It's like a spoon and a half here, small spoon, teaspoon. And we mix everything together, and you put it in the fridge to chill. When it chill in the fridge, it be tasting better after you mix it like that. Put it on the fridge to chill for a few minutes or a half hour. Before that, you serve it for dinner. Our salad is ready. That's the final look. It tastes really good. Always you taste in the end if you need any more salt or seasoning. The color is really good. You have the yellow, red, and green. It's very appetizing, and you can eat it with your, meat, fish, chicken. For me, I made it with my gratin. I would post the gratin recipe, the potato and cauliflower gratin recipe, later in the channel. The next video. It was really, really good with it. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how did you like this wonderful salad, and see you next time in a new video, a new recipe. Thank you and enjoy. And don't forget to check my channel for more tasty recipes. There is some pictures of some of my recipes. Thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos with your friends and family.